Alright, let's unbox something seriously awesome today. This is the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G in awesome navy. And, bonus, it comes bundled with Galaxy Buds FE. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. First up, let's check out what's inside the box. Here's the Galaxy A35 5G, looking super sleek. You also get a USB cable and SIM tray ejector. Now onto the Buds FE. These are in graphite. They come with a charging case, extra ear tips, and cable. Let's get hands-on with the phone first. The navy color is subtle but really stylish. It feels lightweight but solid, easy to grip. Turning it on, the AMOLED display immediately pops. Colors are vibrant and the screen is super bright. Vision Booster adjusts the brightness automatically. Even in direct sunlight, everything stays easy to see. Streaming videos looks crisp and immersive. Scrolling through social feeds is smooth and responsive. Let's talk cameras. Triple lens setup on the back. Snapping some photos, the detail is impressive. High-res shots look sharp, even when zoomed in. Video recording is steady thanks to image stabilization. Now let's test Nightography mode in low light. Wow, night shots are surprisingly clear and colorful. Fireworks, city lights, even candlelight look vivid. No more blurry, grainy night photos. Storage is a big deal for me, 128GB built-in. Plus, you can expand up to a massive 1TB that's perfect for photos, videos, and apps. The phone is also IP67 water and dust resistant. So, no worries about splashes or rain on adventures. Let's move on to the Galaxy Buds FE. The charging case is compact and pocket-friendly. The buds themselves have a new wingtip design. They fit snugly and stay put, even during a jog. You get multiple wingtip sizes for a custom fit. Pairing is instant. Just open the case and tap connect. Let's play some music and test the sound. Bass is punchy, vocals are super clear. Active noise cancellation blocks out background noise. Plane engines, chatter, traffic, all fade away. Transparency mode lets you hear what's important. Switching between devices is seamless with auto switch. Watch a movie on your tablet, take calls on your phone. The Buds FE instantly switch back and forth. Battery life is solid, enough for a full day out. Charging is quick with the included USB-C cable. Both the phone and earbuds feel built for active lives. Whether you're commuting, working out, or traveling, the combo of display, camera, and sound really stands out. I love the expandable storage for all my content. And the water resistance gives peace of mind outdoors. If you want a feature-packed phone and earbuds bundle, this Galaxy A35 5G with Buds FE is a smart pick. Great for tech lovers, mobile photographers, active users. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Let me know your questions below.